Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen, and today I'm sharing with you how I'm making my Christmas wreath. Last year was only made of Christmas balls, and I will link the video. Also, most of the stuff here in this video, I get them from the dollar store already, or stuff that I already have. So, and I bought them last year, for the end of the year sales that you usually have at the dollar store, like 50% off, and some from Walmart. And the wreath, the grapevine wreath, I got it from a thrift store. So let's go ahead and start decorating this wreath. Oh, the pine tree needles, I got them from my backyard back in Virginia, and I just spray painted with silver color. So this time, let's go ahead. So this branch here, you see there has a little pick. So what I'm gonna be doing is just poking it in the grapevine wreath, and I won't need glue for that. So most of them have sticks, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, just poking it. And I'm using the center of the wreath because I will be hanging those bells, the red one that I showed you earlier. So you can put on the side if you want, but I chose to put it in the center just to hang those bells. So now making a bow out of this burlap fabric. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I also will be posting a video just making the bow, so you won't have to go through the wreath, just a video for the bow. So all you have to do is choose first the size of the bow that you want. I will be making 3 of them. So all I do is folding, using the hot glue to fold it. So this one is the biggest, and I will be doing a medium and then a smaller one. So here we go, you have 3 of them, and I will be gluing them together. Of course, you start with the big one, the medium, and then the small one. So after you shaped it, all you have to do is take a piece of burlap fabric, a small one, and to tie it around and make your bow. And that's so simple. And you just glue it using your hot glue gun. So you can leave it as is, but I'm just gonna add some of these stones around the bowl. I think it will make it prettier. It's already pretty as is, but adding something shinier. And I'm using the silver one because the theme for my Christmas decoration will be mostly silver this year. I'm gonna try to stay away from the red. I'm gonna try. last but not least, the pine tree needles. So you just add some hot glue to the end of the needle, you know, and just poke it somewhere in your grapevine wreath, and that's it. You don't have to add it, but I have it. I wanted to add it, so that's what I'm doing. So now I'm removing my old wreath from Thanksgiving and adding the new one for Christmas. So I hope you like this video. Thank you again. What do you want? Huh? Why did you remove your shirt?
Shirt?
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and you have a wonderful holiday.
Bye.